Hi guys, welcome back to Chef Dwight. Today I'll be making oven baked chicken. I seasoned my chicken overnight with some rice and peas. Today's dinner. My peas are being boiled. No, I don't pressure my peas. I don't really like it. So let's get the show started. Alright guys, so I added my parchment paper. I'm just gonna lay the chicken out. You already know me already, no particular order. I'm gonna give you guys a nice baked chicken recipe, oven baked chicken. I bought a whole chicken at the meat shop, so I asked them to cut it up. Alright guys, see, I didn't use all the chicken because I don't want to cook too much chicken, so I just added like, what's that, 3, 6, 7, 8 pieces for 3 persons. So the oven is being preheated right now. So guys, join me for this recipe, oven baked chicken. Alright guys, so the oven is ready. So guys, join me when it's time to turn and mix in the base for it. Okay guys, so now that my sauce is warm, I'm going to go to the oven right now and carefully pull out the dish to start put the sauce on. So guys, I'm just gonna do it off camera because it's kind of hard to have the phone in my left hand when I'm a righty. So I'll come back to you guys when I'm fully coated. There you go. So I'm gonna just put it back in and then coat it again in a few minutes. Ooh. Turned it over on the next side to base it. There you go guys, ready.